Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You sign into Gmail now and go straight to the account controls. This saves time. From Gmail, click your profile and choose Manage your Google account. Once done, move to Personal Info where phone numbers are listed. Make sure you use the browser or official app and keep a second device nearby for verification codes. This step locates the phone field so you can view, edit, or remove numbers. Stay ready to confirm with a code if Google asks for extra verification. You now tap Phone under Personal Info to reveal any numbers Google has on file. If a number is hidden, choose Edit and follow prompts to show or change it. Google may mask digits for privacy. When you add or change a number, you'll need to verify ownership, so choose SMS or voice call and enter the code you receive. Once verified, the number becomes active for account recovery and security. Make sure the number matches your current carrier and device. You finish by saving any edits and reviewing recovery options. Make sure the phone is listed for account recovery. If Google requires reauthentication, follow prompts and test sign out, then sign in to confirm changes. Troubleshooting tip: if you can't access that phone, use your recovery email or backup codes to regain control and remove any unknown numbers immediately. If problems persist, use Google Account Recovery Flow step by step. Keep calm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.